How to schedule a message in Signal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to schedule a message in Signal. Let's just get started. If you guys don't know what Signal is, it's basically a messaging app, just like WhatsApp and Telegram. So what you need to basically do is open up Signal first. And then to actually schedule a message, you first have to head over to one of your inboxes. Get inside your DM, and all you need to do is type in your message. Once you've typed your message, if you tap on the send icon right besides it, it will instantly send the message. But if you want to schedule it, all you have to do is hold on to the send button and long press on it. It will show you today 6 p.m., tonight 9 p.m., tomorrow 8 a.m., and you can pick a custom date as well. If you tap on it, select when you want to send this. I'll just do today, and I'll just select the time, tap on it, and you can easily select your time. Let's say if I want this to go at 10:45, I'll just do this, tap on OK. 7:45, I'll just do this, tap on OK, tap on schedule send, and then from there you can go to settings to enable scheduling message. Tap on allow, go back, and now your message has been scheduled. That's basically it, guys. That's how you schedule a message on Signal. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.